Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Grow a Garden Cosmetics. In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Grow a Garden Cosmetics. To grow a garden cosmetics, all you need to do is go right here to the left side, or if you're in the right, if you're in the other place over there. But depending on where you are located, just go to the next corner where there's three shops. There you go. As you see, there's gear, pets, and next one in the middle, the cosmetic. Go to the cosmetic, then talk to the cosmetic. After talking to the cosmetic, this will present. As you can see here, it resets every 3 hours and 38 minutes. So there. So now we are able to choose which one that we want. So as you can see, there's a sign crate. So what in the sign crate right here, here are all the available things you can see on the crate. Just click on that question mark. So we're just gonna buy everything here. We're gonna buy sign crate, common crate, clothesline. We're gonna buy stone. We're gonna buy small. We're just gonna buy everything here, and then we're gonna buy the rake and the light on ground. Ooh, let's buy the light on ground. There's two light on ground. Wow. Then we got white pottery and rock pile. So now let's go back to our garden. To go back to our garden, click on our garden right here. Then after doing that, here we're back to our garden. Now to put down the what do you call this, the cosmetic tattoo box, click on the tools right here next to the backpack right there. As you can see, there's an icon called cosmetic inventory next to the backpack. Click on that. Then as you can see right here, there you go. Now just click any of this. For example, you're gonna put down the hay. Oh, there we go, the hay. Now to move the hay, you just need to do that. Oopsie, we have moved the wrong thing. Sorry. To move the hay, we're gonna first select the hay. There you go. And we can move the hay. And we can also move it upwards, downwards, or maybe sideways. Like that. See? Or maybe like that. And to put it back in our cosmetic inventory, just click on this thing. Right here, the package thing. You click on that, it will come back right here. And a quick tip for you guys when doing this. If you can also just click on your keyboard letter B. So once you click on letter B, this will pop up the cosmetics. So there you go. And another tip for you guys, you can also delete a cosmetic if you don't like. So let me just go to the all cosmetic, then choose a cosmetic that you don't like. Let's say I don't like this one right here. I don't like that one right there. So to delete this one right there, oopsie, to delete this one right there, all we need to do is click on delete right here, then click the object there, click on yes. Okay, it's -3, and became 2. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.